Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. This one, well, I'm currently working on the USS Enterprise NCC 1701 refit, the 1/350 scale. And I'm working on that, and I got a bunch of new projects for the future. I just wanted to give you guys like a little preview of what's going to come up, because I didn't realize how many I had, and I had them on the shelves, and I'm like, wow, that's a lot. So maybe I'll give you guys a little peek on the projects and the videos that are coming up that I have. Can start off on this side. I don't know if you can see this one or not. This is a new one from Polar Lights. This is from Star Trek III, The Search for Spock. It's the USS Grissom, which is NCC 638. It also has the Klingon Bird of Prey. This is a 1/1000 scale snap together kit. This one is kind of small, but I would like to light it. If you remember, the Grissom was destroyed in Star Trek III, The Search for Spock, by this Klingon Bird of Prey. Incidentally, it's this Bird of Prey that went on to cause the destruction of the Enterprise. They used it to go back in time, and they ended up bringing back George and Gracie, the humpback whales, to save Earth. This is the Klingon Bird of Prey, and the USS Grissom from Star Trek III, The Search for Spock. Again, this is 1/1000 scale. And this is going to be a fun little kit to build. You can do it in attack mode or the landing mode. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but that's one of the projects. You can see it comes with a couple of stands, decals, and this is going to be a fun kit to build. Moving on, I'm going to move this one. This one is pretty cool. This is from the original series, and this one has the bonus Enterprise, actual small model of the Enterprise itself. This is the fighter jet from the episode Tomorrow is Yesterday, if you guys remember. This is the F-104 Starfighter, and this is really cool. If you remember, the Enterprise had just come out of a time warp, and they were low on power, and she was recovering, so she was trying to gain altitude. They showed up on the radar at the time, which was the 60s of Earth. They sent the pilot to investigate, and this is the model depicts that scene. You see, you can build it with the different weapons. And the Enterprise, the way the model sets is there's a stand, and the jet goes on the stand, and then the smaller Enterprise goes in front or on the side. And what it does is it makes it in scale, like the Enterprise is far away and the jet is actually flying to it. So this is going to be a fun kit to build. The plane itself is in 1/48 scale. And I don't know about the Enterprise itself. It says a miniature USS Enterprise NCC 1701 included for perspective. But it doesn't say. We'll get into this kit more when I make it. And this is going to be a fun little kit. And this one is going to be interesting. This is the Polar Lights, and this is the refit from Star Trek The Motion Picture. This kit comes with the Aztecing decals. Now, I'm working on the refit not F-150, excuse me, the 1/350 refit from Polar Lights right now. And I'm painting the Aztec detailing on. Well, that kit comes with a base that kind of looks like, well, yeah, it kind of looks like the space dock that it was in. What I want to do with this ship is I'm going to build this Enterprise, and I'm going to make her, when she's worked on, and I'm going to build a space dock around her. That base from the 350 base, I'm going to use it for this base, but it's only going to be a base. I'm going to hand build and figure out how I can build a space dock around this kit, because this is 1/1000 scale. So I'm not going to light the ship. If I do light the ship, it's only going to be like a couple of windows, because the most lighting is going to be coming from the space dock, and I got to figure out how to make that. Anyway, that's why I bought this model kit. Moving on, this one is going to be really fun. This is the AMT USS Enterprise NCC 1701-C. I like this one because it's got the battle damage decals. I am going to light this one, and I'm going to make it look just like it did in yesterday's Enterprise. You can see the decals are really cool looking, and this comes with the base, and this is going to be a real fun kit to build. I'm looking forward to doing this one. I really like the Enterprise C. Blue is my favorite color, and I love the blues in this ship, and I'll probably end up painting the patterns on in the blue. But this one is 1/1400 scale. Let's see how big it's going to be. Does it say how large? Kit builds to nearly 15 inches. So it's almost 15 inches, but it does look cool. It should be big enough where it won't be that bad to light. So that's that project. Here's another new release from Polar Lights. Of course, this is from Star Trek Enterprise. And this is the USS Enterprise NX-01. You can see it's a pretty cool looking ship. The series is pretty cool. I do like the series. My favorite, of course, is the original series. My second favorite is probably the Next Generation. And Enterprise is probably my third favorite. It's just really cool. Some of the ideas and things that we were learned through the series. It shows you the different ways you can build her. And this one's not very big. It's going to end up being almost 9 inches long. You can parts and decals included to build the refit as well. So, but this just begs to be lit. I can't make this model and not light it. You can see on the box how she's lit, and it does look pretty cool. So that's another project. Newer project. Where can I put that? I'm going to put this to the side. I'll put this one to the side, and I'm going to show you guys one of the projects that I'm really looking forward to building. And this is newer. This is the Polar Lights Klingon Battle Cruiser, and it's the Katinga class. And this is from Star Trek the Motion Picture. You can see that's when we were first introduced to the Klingons, their different appearance. This is going to be a really, really fun build. Of course, the optional lighting kit, which I did get. My wife ended up buying me this for Christmas, and I was ecstatic. I couldn't wait. I had an idea what it was, and I just couldn't wait to open it on Christmas morning, just like a kid. But this is going to be so much fun to build. You can see all the detail. The painting design for this is going to be incredible. And I might see about getting a mask, the masking set for this, because I want it to look just like it was in the movie, just like the Enterprise that I'm working on, 1/350 scale. I want it to look like it did on the screen. And this is the lighting kit for the model. You can see some of the things that it'll give and that it'll light. It does come with a small photo etch sheet. But when I do this, of course, I'm going to do, the review. I'll do the unboxing and show you guys everything that comes with the kit as well as the model, so you can see all the goodies that's included, and then I'll build it. Incidentally, one of the model projects that I'm going to be having coming up, I don't have on here. It's the Polar Lights 1350 USS Enterprise, but it's the one that came with the Aztecing decals, and I'm going to be building it as the A. So I'm doing the Star Trek The Motion Picture refit right now in Polar Lights 1350 scale. I'll be doing the Klingon Katinga battlecruiser from Star Trek The Motion Picture in 1350 scale. I'll be doing the Enterprise NCC 1701-A in 1350 scale. And I did the USS Enterprise 50th anniversary of the original series in 1350 scale, and I do have videos of that. That being said, there's just a couple. I'll put this back so you can see. I just wanted to give you guys like a little preview of what was going to be coming up. So the A, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, we got 7 projects coming up. And that's just the model kits, the project builds. I'm thinking about doing another video to show you guys more videos on goodies that I have for collector items. Like the Star Trek phasers from the movie Star Trek II, The Wrath of Khan, Star Trek III, The Search for Spock. There's more videos that are going to be, I have the Dinky Toys, the Klingon Battlecruiser, the USS Enterprise. I have the Polar Lights, the Diamond Select USS Defiant, the Enterprise D from Diamond Select. There's just a whole bunch. So I was thinking of making another video on showing you guys of the other videos on the Star Trek collectibles. But this video, I just wanted to show you guys the actual models, the projects that are coming up. And I'm currently working on the Polar Lights F1350 from Star Trek The Motion Picture and the Enterprise. And I'm working right now on the nacelle pylons. And I'm doing the port side, so that'll be coming up soon. I hope you watch for that. And I thank you for watching this video. Thank you.